Hey everyone, it's Joyce from Stay at Home Adventures, and it's been a long time since I made a video, but I wanted to make one to show you this week freebie, how to use it, and also what we're doing now with our budget and our finances, so stay tuned. So if you follow me, you get an email every week about Tuesday. Since the quarantine has been Wednesday, and I always give a freebie, a useful freebie that's about finances and time management and getting things worked with your finances. Well, since this have happened, I decided to make a video like this, unprofessional, with my hair. I mean, I dyed my hair so my braids are gone, but I wanted to sit here and just chit chat with you guys because I don't have time to work, and sometimes you will not see me on Instagram stories, pretty much because it has been busy. Now, for those that don't know, I am a mom of 4. 3 of my boys are in the spectrum, different levels, and since school has closed, it has been very difficult for me to work and to basically get things to like where it was before. Sorry, the AC is turning on. So anyway, so how it has been going for me, it's very busy. I'm trying to get routines done, I'm trying to get things done, and I'm trying to get laundry done, and I'm also trying to get the boys to do the work. So it's very difficult to get online every day and go on Instagram stories and post. So I decided to just make a video about it. So if you have not heard or read the email that I have sent, we decided to basically stop doing cash envelopes and just go with all debit because of the pandemic, and it was kind of safer to go that route. And I am going to say that if you believe that I have stuck to my grocery budget, you're wrong, and I am being brutally honest. We are spending more on grocery because things are out, and where I live out in Pennsylvania, it's pretty rough around here. Things like hand sanitizers cost a lot. I had to send out for it, and I have family members sending me stuff in because of that. It is, for me, my routine has changed in the fact that I have to go to the store, and then I have to plan my meals according to what I find on the grocery stores. So that has been a major change. But other than that, we haven't really not spent a lot of money because we really don't go out much. And basically, the last time I filled up my gas in my van was April 13th, and it still has to have a tank. So I haven't really gone much. I know I have said before that it's better to... Are you really having fun in your program? It is very hard for me to do grocery online because what we order sometimes is not there. So things like essentials we can't find. So it's forcing us to go to the store, and that really sucks. But other than that, in May, I'm trying to challenge myself because to me this is gonna be a long-term thing. I mean, it's not gonna go away for a while. I mean, we're dealing with the virus, so. But my plan for May is not to just use what I have and then before I go out and buy. If things don't change, you know, if things get different, then I'm gonna change a different approach. But I am going to work on my garden. I'm planning to grow more this season, and I'm planning, what the lighting is on, and I'm planning on making more freezer meal because I don't have the time that I had before. When the kids were in school, I used to just have a routine, and that routine, it's not really effective. The other thing that's new, it's the stimulus check that we received. We received it, I believe, last week. And we, again, if you don't read my newsletter, I said that we were planning on spending some, majority of it. And we are spending it because we feel that we save, we're responsible, right? We get our things together. But there's things that we want, and we're gonna buy it. So for me, we decided to buy the boys shoes because my son outgrew, had a growth spurt of some sort, that all his shoes don't fit. So I went and bought him shoes. I bought other boys clothing online, like spring clothing, because they're growing their ones that they have. And then we bought the Switch, and we bought Animal Crossing, and we bought some 3D glasses so we can all play games since we're gonna be stuck here. Now the pool situation, if you watch my sinking fund video, I explained about the pool membership. That's not gonna happen this summer, sadly. And there's a few other things that I might cancel. I might not get AAA anymore because we're really not gonna go anywhere or go out or travel. So that's another thing that might be happening, changing. So I'll probably do another video for that. Let's see what else. I'm gonna show you later what I'm doing when I track my spending when I go to the store. And I believe that's it. If you have any more questions, just let me know and I'll get you an answer. So the next thing I'm gonna show you, it's the freebie for this week and how it works. Alright, so here you have the freebie for this week. It is a money tracker that you can use in your wallet, if you follow me, you know how my envelopes are a little bit large and fits a certain kind of wallet. And I will go into details how it looks. And this is the smaller version right here. It is for subscribers right now, but I am thinking of allowing it as a freebie for everyone, just because the hard times, and I love giving things for free, making people happy. All right, because we have been using this money tracker that it's wallet. So instead of having a cash envelope inside my wallet, I have this right here. And then that's how I keep track of my spending. Now, I know you're going to say, okay, well, Joyce, I thought you said you were online shopping or using online services or pickup services. I was. But because where I live at is so bad that ordering food online takes about a week, or they just don't have it, or they don't have the essentials. So you are forced to go to the store to make purchases. So this is what I'm using when I go. And I actually cut this together like this, and then I fold it in the middle, and then I make the holes on this side. So when I flip it through, I have both sides available. Just something that I do. And then this right here is a smaller size, for those that want something smaller. But this is the freebie. This is what I'm using. And if you guys like what you see, want more styles, let me know, because I need something to do. So I hope this use was helpful. Let me know if you like it and if you want to see different styles. All right, so this is the freebie right here. I'm doing this on the floor, but this is the printable when you get it. And once you cut the flaps together, if you choose to do it that way, the reason why it's, like I explained earlier, it's because you can just close them here and fold them, and then you can make the holes here. And then, or you can do it like this. It's up to you. But this is for May. It's just an example. This is not $600. Our grocery has gone way high because prices are up, and we have to order in places that are more expensive. And then yeah, $200. But I think this is just I doubt we're gonna do the $600. Probably gonna go $800 for May. But anyway, that's why this is set up like this, and I just want to show you that. All right, so there you have my quick recap of what I'm doing with my budget now. No cash spending to further notice, and what the freebie is and how does it work. And I really hope that it helps you out. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments. I will gladly answer. Follow me on Instagram. I'm hardly there, but I will try to do my best. And make sure you subscribe to my newsletter. I'll leave the link below. You have a good week, and please stay safe.